How to know who viewed your WhatsApp status secretly. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can know who viewed our WhatsApp status secretly. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So if you want to know who viewed your WhatsApp status, you can head over to your WhatsApp, and once you are here, in the top right corner, go to the three dot. After that, go to the settings. And once you are here, go to notifications and scroll down and go to the status under which you'll be finding reactions. So if any people who is trying to stalk you mistakenly reacts your post, you'll be finding it right from this reactions notifications if you have enabled this option. So make sure you have enabled it. After that, head back and go to privacy as well and turn on this option called read receipts, so that if you want to view the person, you can know the receipts of the other people. So that is how you know who viewed your WhatsApp status secretly. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.